13 divided by 13 gives us 1. And again here we have 13 divided by 13. So 1 divided by 1 is just 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 13 divided by 13 gives us 1. So we have 1 divided by 13 and again divided by 13. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 13 can be written as 1 over 13, then divided by 13. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 13 times 1 over 13, which equals 1 times 1 gives us 1. So 1 over 13 times 13 equals 169. And this is our final answer to this problem, 1 over 169. The correct answer is 1 over 169.